At VTA Water Technology, we can offer a wide range of services in plant engineering, for us, it is a daily action and activity for clean water for our next generation, and for this, we work with heart and soul, day after day, particularly in the field of wastewater technology. Our expertise starts with the component manufacturing, where we specialize in providing plastic solutions for dosing technology, storage tanks, mixing valves, valve manifolds, pipelines, and tailor-made solutions for our customers. Our latest area of focus is plant engineering, where we primarily manufacture complete wastewater treatment plants for the industrial sector. The development of a wastewater treatment plant always starts with an in-depth analysis of the raw wastewater. If no raw wastewater is available, we can draw on our extensive experience from reference plants. We then determine the appropriate treatment process and initiate the rough planning. For this, we rely on 3D visualizations to create an installation plan and use 2D piping and instrumentation diagrams, P and ID, to illustrate the entire wastewater process clearly. After completing the rough planning, we proceed with detailed engineering, including the design and selection of suitable machinery. This involves considering the sizing, hydraulic design, and choice of measurement technology. The pipelines are also meticulously planned. Once all detailed drawings are available, the production of the plant components begins. The majority of our products, especially plastic parts, are manufactured in our spacious production facilities. Before shipping to the construction site, the products undergo thorough internal testing and preparation. On site, our experienced assembly team will expertly position all components and carry out the piping, using plastic or stainless steel, depending on the requirements for wastewater quality. Cable routes are defined, control cabinets are installed, and the drives and measurement technology are wired. Subsequently, commissioning takes place, with our competent team providing process support to the customer. Once the commissioning is successfully completed, customers receive training on the plant from our process engineers and commissioning personnel. With the handover of documentation and acceptance protocol, the plant becomes the property of the customer, and our after-sales service takes over the ongoing support of the plant. The personal mission of a family man with children, to leave something to you, to my children, and to all the children in the world, namely clean, precious water. This is what I stand for as a person, as a family man, and as an environmental pioneer.